Welcome back to Eagle Inspiration.
If you can master the $1 rule, you'll never be poor again. I thought he was joking, until I realized this is the same principle millionaires quietly use every single day. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal exactly what the $1 rule is, why it's the fastest way to build wealth, and how you can start using it today, even if you have almost nothing in your bank account. Before I tell you the rule, I need you to imagine this. Every single dollar you earn is a soldier. Some people send their soldiers out to party, buy junk, and disappear forever. Others send them on a mission to bring back more soldiers. The $1 rule is about turning every dollar into a worker that never stops until it brings you more money. Here's the rule. Never spend your last dollar without knowing exactly how it will return to you with friends. In other words, don't just spend money, deploy it. Every time you're about to buy something, ask, will this dollar grow or will it die here? Millionaires make this decision hundreds of times a week. That's why they're rich. Not because they earn more, but because they keep sending their dollars on missions. This works because money is a seed. You can eat the seed now, or you can plant it and grow a tree that feeds you for the rest of your life. The problem? Most people are stuck in the eat the seed mindset. They say, it's only $1, it won't matter. But here's the truth. The habits you have with $1 are the same habits you'll have with 1,000 or 1 million. Let's say you have $5. You could buy coffee that's gone in 10 minutes, or buy a domain name for a business idea. You have $20. You could order takeout tonight, or buy a book that teaches you a skill you can charge for. It's not about how much money you have, it's about whether your money works for you or vanishes forever. Step 1. Before spending, ask, will this make me money, save me money, or improve my skills? Step 2. If the answer is no, skip it. Step 3. Create a deployment jar. Money that's only used for investments, not expenses. This could be stocks, an online course, tools for a side hustle, or even networking opportunities. Every time you deploy $1, track how it comes back to you. The biggest shift is to see every dollar as an employee. If you let your employees be lazy, they'll do nothing for you. But if you send them to work, train them, and put them in the right places, they'll bring you more employees. And eventually, you'll have an army working for you 24/7. That's how wealth really happens, one disciplined dollar at a time. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, follow the $1 rule. Track every single dollar you spend. Ask, is this dollar working for me? You might be shocked at how quickly your habits and your bank account start to change. And if you found this video valuable, hit subscribe and join Eagle Inspiration, where we turn small ideas into big results.
You've got the key. Now unlock your future before someone else does. Subscribe to Eagle Inspiration now, because the next video will give you an edge most people will never have. Like, share, and let's grow together. Eagle Inspiration, your future, one decision away.